This video is your essential guide to home electrical earthing and testing. Earthing is a critical safety feature of your electrical system, and we will show you how to check its health. Earthing connects the metal parts of appliances to the ground. This connection routes leakage current away safely, ensuring electricity bypasses the human body and preventing severe shocks. Proper earthing protects humans from electric shocks and sensitive electronics from power surges. Additionally, it prevents internal electrical fires caused by faults and current leakage. The earthing system uses an earth wire connected to a copper electrode buried in a pit. Charcoal helps retain moisture, and salt improves soil conductivity for an effective ground connection. Safety is paramount when testing. Always wear rubber-soled shoes, ensure your hands are completely dry, and avoid simple neon line testers. All physical maintenance power should be controlled by the main switch. A digital multimeter tests earthing health by measuring the potential difference between socket points. Set the dial to AC voltage and select a range above the local 230-volt supply, such as 750 volts. Step 1 is the baseline test. Insert the red probe into phase and the black probe into neutral. The screen should show the standard 230-volt supply, confirming power presence. Step 2 is the verification test. Move the black probe to the earth hole. The new voltage should match the baseline. A reading below 150 volts indicates a critical fault. Step 3 is the quality check. Test neutral and earth together. The screen must show less than 2 volts. High voltage here can damage sensitive electronics. Use this diagnostic matrix to interpret your results. An ideal result shows neutral to earth is under 2 volts. A dangerous fault is indicated by a reading above 5 volts, or phase to earth under 150 volts. Method 2 uses a test lamp. A 100-watt bulb verifies the physical earth load. Connecting the live and earth should create a bright glow. Be aware that modern RCD safety switches may trip during this test. Socket voltage drops when the soil dries out. Poor socket readings directly reflect the underground soil health. Bad readings require immediate earth pit maintenance. System maintenance includes pouring water into the pit during summer and adding charcoal and salt to recharge the soil. Homeowners should also clean green rust from wire connections every 6 months. Call a professional if your DIY tests indicate severe issues. Electricians use Megger testers to measure exact resistance, which should be below 5 ohms. Also, seek help for complex setups or frequent RCD trips. Remember this safety checklist. Ensure phase to earth matches phase to neutral, and neutral to earth is below 2V. Maintain the pit, keep connections clean, and have a professional inspect the system every 3 to 5 years.